Good Monday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, kind of a comfortable start to a Monday.
Yeah, Joe, we got temperatures out there this morning. They're kind of similar to what we've always been seeing here in the morning hours in the last several days, is that middle 60s and lower 60s. We got 61 being reported in Norton, 62 in Overland, get 66 in Gidland, 64 Oakley, and 65 in Burlington. And we got these east-southeasterly winds at around 10 miles per hour that are pumping in some moisture in the clouds and the fogs to start the morning. This is going to kind of be our pattern as we move forward the next several days and through the weekend, as we got a high-pressure ridge that's sitting over western Texas that expands all the way northward through the Great Plains area or the tri-state region. And that is where the northern periphery of that ridge is and the east boundary. So those southeasterly winds are pulling that Gulf moisture into the area. What can also happen there, since we're on that north end, is disturbances that will come out of the northern Rockies in Colorado and Wyoming will come around the top of that ridge in the late evenings and overnight hours and cause some shower and scattered thunderstorm activity. This stuff will be more to the west out there in Colorado during the late afternoon periods and could be stronger, and then move through during the evening and the overnights across Kansas and Nebraska and off to the east. So that's what we're expecting later today. The sun will come out. Temperatures will climb up into the middle 80s. We'll see the southeast winds continue at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Storm chances tonight will be after 9 p.m. through morning during the overnight hours as those lows again drop to around 65. And then we'll see more sunshine tomorrow and Wednesday. Maybe a little bit more drier as that activity will stay to the west in Colorado more. The ridge will be more amplified. Those winds will still be from a southeast direction at 5 and 10 in the morning, 10 to 15 in the afternoons. And then we get for Thursday, Friday, and over the weekend, that ridge will flatten a bit and move a little bit to the east. So that'll increase our chances for those late day, afternoon, and evening storms each day. And we'll see our temperatures warm up into the 90s, lows into the 60s. And the chances for that precipitation being of scattered nature could be hit and miss. And some people could see a little bit of severe weather out to the west. Most people won't. And some could even see some heavy rainfall, especially out there along those Kansas, Nebraska, and Colorado borders. So that is kind of the pattern moving forward. You look longer range for the 26th through the 1st, and it looks like that pattern will continue with the activity coming from the west. Again, hit and miss and scattered. Maybe not enough precipitation to bring us to above normal or even average precipitation for the period. So the drought conditions will continue because of the scattered nature and the hit and miss variety. But it does look like we'll have chances through the 1st, especially to the west, and those warmer 90-degree temperatures continuing.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Zurich.